Bannabyabufuzi banenyezeddwa okuzingamya enteekateeka ya gavumenti ey'okuggya abantu mu bukyafu nga bayita mu kulagira abantu okugaana pulojekiti zino nga n'abandi basaba ssente pulojekiti okukola mu maka gaabwe. Okusinziira ku mukwanaganya wa Uganda Sanitation Fund ng'eno pulojekiti ya Minisitule y'ebyobulamu Baha Emery, pulojekiti eno yali yakuteekebwa mu nkola mu disitulikiti ya 3 naye nga kati ekola mu disitulikiti 3 zokka omuli Shemba, Bushenyi n'Embarara olw'ensonga nti abantu abasinga tebaagala kuyiga bya buyonjo.
The political environment. Wherever there are campaigns, people think that they receive from people. So when you bring anything, they expect just to receive. And then other interventions used to give handouts and software, hardwares, physical things that people see on. So when you say you brought a project, people expect you to give them something visible, like a water tank, like slabs. But we're saying, no, that one creates a dependency syndrome. For them, they like moving with software. There's this one hand of giving, then the other hand they're saying do the thing. But those things don't work together. Once you make somebody dependent on you, even they'll expect the other thing to be done for them. We're saying, let's first make communities understand they need to do their sanitation by themselves. Then after that, other things can come in when the villages are already clean.
Project eno erina okusoomozebwa kungi anti mu bitundu gyetannatuuka abantu bamansa obukyafu nga bwe basanze nga kino kyandibaleetera endwadde ezeekuusa ku bukyafu nga kolera n'ekiddukano.
People go to health facilities all the time. Maybe you must have heard of people complaining about the health facilities. But for us as Uganda Sanitation Fund, we are saying they should not go there. We want to manage public health at home. We want to ensure that they do sanitation, to ensure that the sanitation-related diseases do not disturb them. They do not go to these health facilities. And the time they spend going to these health facilities, the resources, the little resources they have that they are spending going to these health facilities can be used to develop themselves.
Kyokka mu bitundu project eno gy'etuuse kirabise nti abantu bali mu bulamu obweyagaza obutaliimu mbeera ya bukyafu bwonna era ne basaba gavumenti eyongere amaanyi mu by'obuyonjo mu bitundu byabwe.
This area is sparsely populated. The people, the homes are far apart. So moving from one home to another needs a means of movement. And yet victims are not given any allowance. We have no bicycles. So we end up putting in our own funds.
We have done all the things the health ministry wants. But we have a problem of water. We drink dirty water. We use dirty water. So we don't have clean water. So I would ask if these people can help us. That this give us water for drinking.
Project ya Uganda Sanitation Fund emaze emyaka 5 mu nkola ng'era mu bifonge eggombola y'Ebubaale Embarara ebyobuyonjo kati byakwatibwa kannabwala. Grace Nantale Kakoza, Kingdom TV, amalindirire.
This is Kingdom TV.